In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a home server using Plex, a popular media server application that allows you to stream your media library across multiple devices. Install Plex Media Server. Download the Plex Media Server software from the Plex website. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch Plex and sign in or create a Plex account. Add media to Plex. Navigate to the Plex web interface and click on Add Library. Choose the type of media, movies, TV shows, music, etc., you want to add. Select the folders on your server where your media files are stored. Plex will automatically scan and organize your media. Configure Plex settings. Access the Settings menu to customize your server. Adjust transcoding settings based on your server's performance. Set up remote access to stream your media from anywhere. Install Plex apps on your devices. Download and install Plex apps on your smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Sign into your Plex account on each device. Start streaming your media from your home server. You've now set up your Plex home server and can enjoy your media library from any device. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my links below.